Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Mango delight is a creamy sweet dessert and it is a layered mango dessert made with mango, cherry, biscuits and jelly. This is very simple recipe. Anyone can make it easily. Just add ingredient and our recipe is ready. So let's get started. First pour the hot jelly into the glasses and crush Oreo in it. Now add mango cubes and cherries and some amount of whipped cream. Now again I'll put my second layer. Again I'll add crushed Oreo, mango cubes and cherries. Then again whipped cream. Mango slices and cherry on the top, and freeze it for some time and serve it chill. It is very creamy, tasty and sweet. Make it at home and feel refreshed. Thanks watching for my video. See you in the next time. Until then, Allah Hafiz.